Thank you. We are in harsh conditions right now, so we want to continue to stress your safety.
And that's right. KSHB 41 News reporter Megan Abundis is live now. And Megan, you caught up with families today, and how were they doing? How are they feeling?
I did. You know, those families were trying to create some winter magic, get outside and play. But honestly, I think the blizzard won this one. It is tough to be out there earlier today. I mean, you're going down the hill sledding, but then you got wind in your face, snow blowing all around. I mean, just tough conditions. And so when you think about the parents and the kids who have been on winter break for weeks now, and maybe they can hardly wait for school to start again, well, they're going to have to wait a bit longer with all of these cancellations. And the parents that we talked to said they're now having to come up with a backup plan for an extended winter break. And when you think about places like Operation Breakthrough in Kansas City and Adventure Club in North Kansas City that usually stay open with no matter what the weather is, they're both closed tomorrow. So again, backup plan for parents is now.
Closed and empty, storefronts locked, schools still shuttered on winter break. Often the only people on the road were those trying to get to the sledding hill.
We won't be able to go to school tomorrow, so I'm excited.
Are you ready? Go.
Days like these come with ups and downs.
I want to go sledding, but it's been really windy and cold.
The plan was to come take our 2-year-old sledding, and we didn't realize it was going to be a whiteout. It's just so cold. Like, I was not expecting to be this cold when he dropped me off. We're ready to go home. I just hope we don't have school on Tuesday. I hope everyone drives safely.
I'm really happy.
That happiness stemming from the news of a no school day.
I was super happy and excited.
The girls were all just so excited, talking all day about when they were going to get the call and if they were going to get the call and how many days they might be out of school.
High school students in Liberty captured their excitement.
All 5 of those girls are seniors. So the fact that they're still this excited over a snow day, they know they're probably few and far between in their little lives when they go off to college. You don't get many snow days, but for right now, they're going to enjoy them, and they were so excited at even the thought of them.
Parents on the Hill also having to roll with the changes.
It was a nice break. It's going to be a little extended now. It sounds like maybe a couple days this week. So I think they're getting anxious to get back to school, but we'll fight the weather for a couple more days.
Lots of arts and crafts, stay inside, bundle up, play with Play-Doh. Just got to get creative.
I'm glad they're playing in the snow, but yeah, I think everyone's ready for the routine again.
I'm good for some more snow days.
On the list of things to do tomorrow,
I'll work from home tomorrow. I normally go in and, we rearrange a couple things with work.
I just read inside and play and sled outside. Watch movies and stay in my house.
Sleeping in.
Probably sled more.
Hopefully tomorrow is a better day for sledding, but remember, it's going to be cold out. Parents say they're just rolling with the punches, adjusting their schedules as the schools close down. Reporting live in Kansas City, I'm Megan Abundis, KSHB 41 News.